Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lori and we are on a race. It really is a race to get as many of these boxes unboxed as I can in this evening. As you can tell, I'm still sporting the same shirt. I still got on the same makeup and my hair, well, a few times it went up, was in a band, or was completely down. Whatever the case may be, on how the hair was. Let's open Lurella. I mean, seriously, I totally forgot what this one's all about. I cannot remember. Also, don't mind the back of my hands. I did use them to play swatch. Yes, that's what I did. I played swatch. Okay, here we go. This is Lurella, and this is from the LURELLAFAM. I used to get Lurella a lot. I got their mystery boxes. They would have like a mystery box 1, 2, and 3, and it was different tiers depending on what it was you were getting inside, but you did not know what you were getting inside. So it was kind of like rolling the dice. Anyway, I'm back buying a box from Lurella, and this one has, I couldn't even get inside this box and look at it because of this right here. So I got a big mess. I'm going to sit that over there on the lid like I've done many times before with this company. I even got my packing slip in here, but it's useless. I'm serious, it's useless. Why? Because all it says is that I got oh, well, hang on here. If I had read this before, I would know that this was the Winter Wishes, the Tinsel Mini, and it's like their holiday products that I purchased. Yay. No, really, yay. Okay. Oh my goodness. All right. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is the Under the Mistletoe. This is an eyeshadow palette. I believe there's 9. These look like 9. They will come with these real pretty. Now, by the way, I did purchase 3 different ones, 3 different colors, 3 different color stories. This one is Under the Mistletoe. It does come with a cute little mirror, as you can see on the lid. And then it has these beautiful green colors. Of course, you have your neutral. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, one. It's easier to count the mattes. There's 5 matte, 3 shimmer, 1 glitter. And I can take off that little. There it is. There we go. Those are pretty. Those are going to be kind of fun to mess around with. Meet Me, Mistletoe, Nutmeg, Wreath, Kiss Me, Gingerbread, Holly, Sugar Cookie, and Grinch. Grinch is down there because it's the Grinch. Kind of start off with Nutmeg. Nutmeg's right there. And then you kind of end with the Grinch. All right. Beautiful, beautiful Lurella. I love it. I love it. All right. That's number 1. And then, of course, guess what else I got? Did you feel that? Almost felt like an earthquake. Maybe it was me. Who knows? This one is 'Tis the Season, which means we're going to have a story color. You know, your color story is going to be red. This one's Jingle Bells, Sparkle, and Eggnog. The pressed ones are Stocking, Hot Cocoa, Santa Baby, Peppermint, Candy Cane, and Jolly. So 3 are basically, they're considered their shimmer glitter. Again, you have the mirror. 'Tis the Season right there. And then you have that color story right there. Very pretty. Sparkles in the middle. So you have Jingle Bells, which is kind of like your little lay down. That's your matte. Stocking, Hot Cocoa, and then of course look at Santa Baby. Oh, pretty. That's sparkle. Then there's peppermint. That's like pull out red. That is red. Oh my, okay, we got to do this. We got to do this. And then Santa baby. Because you got to do it. Here we go. Oh, look. I like that. And then you have candy cane, jolly, and eggnog. So you'll lay down your eggnog or your or your jingle bells. This one is Winter Wishes. Obviously, it's going to be our blues. You can kind of figure that out already. Winter Wishes. Get your mirror. Winter Wishes underneath. There you go. See, this is the stuff that I always saw girls in junior high and high school with blue eyes. They always wore blue. It's kind of like that's the only color somebody with blue eyes leans towards. And if you know how to lay your colors down, you can wear a lot more than just blue. Okay, so here's the colors. Secret Santa, Icicle, Let It Snow. And it goes from here to here. And then we have Blizzard, Angel Baby, Snowflake, Cozy, Frosty, and Sleigh. So pretty colors, pretty colors. That Angel Baby in the middle, gorgeous. That Let It Snow gray. Just got to know how to lay it down. Sometimes you put these couple of these palettes together and you have one of your canvas, I call them canvas colors because they're the colors that you put on first that everything else is going to lay down on. And you're good to go. And then you have these two cute little things. This is Oh Christmas Tree. And it does have a little, see it coming? Here's your three colors. Look at these. Can you even see that? I'm not going to take them out because they were really hard to put back in. And this is almost like it's like an emerald with blue and red. Shoot. This is why when I move into that beauty room and I get it all set up, this ring is disappearing. I'm bringing out my box lighting. It's like forest green. See if I go like that. See, it's like forest green. This is the color that I think I like out of all of them put together, was this one right here, because of its like 5 different metallic glecks of color. You know, the little flecks of color that come out. It has like 5 different colors playing. You see blue, green, red, yellow, and black. Don't ask me where I got black from, but it does. Then you have Shine Like Tinsel. It's got that little thing on it, which should, there we go. Shine Like Tinsel. This one is a like grape wine, like a burgundy. Then you have your Christmas, which is, this is your silver with your flecks of purple, gold, and like a turquoise. And then over here you have almost like a champagne. As for the colors, I don't know. They're probably on the bottom, but I just haven't gone deep enough into this box to see what it is. Fold. See? So that doesn't tell you anything except for look at the lilac. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. I can see different colors in these. I see different speckles and flecks of Mayhem. Okay, so Mayhem, see how it's like gray? That doesn't tell you anything. Take a look at this. That's what I'm saying. I can see little flickers of color coming out of these little containers here. And they are eyeshadows. So I did not order the lip. I got plenty of lip product. I did not need any more lip. And then they gave me a little free. This is a, what color is this here? It didn't even say. It's a liquid eyeshadow. Oh, in the color Golds. Can't see it, can you? But see how it's real, almost like nude? Okay, so this is like skin color, and it's called Golds. So anyway, that kind of gives you an idea of it. They can give it a name. It doesn't matter. It doesn't tell you what the color is. It just is. So anyhow, from Lurella, I got the Winter Wishes, which is the blue 9-pan, the red 'Tis the Season, and the green Under the Mistletoe. That's it for now. That was the Lurella. And like I said, nothing special to this box. It just is one that I ordered, probably like a little limited edition. And it kind of sort of was. You know what I mean? It's just kind of winter wonderland, Christmas themed items. So thank you guys very much for tuning in and taking a look at the stuff that I have inside. I would really appreciate you hit that red subscribe button over there. Turn on your notifications. Lets you know when I upload my next video. And please, before you take off, give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video. There's only one left. I promise. Just one more. Stick with me. Bye.